There he is! That's two. You can get off them.
I can't.
I think one's just gone under there.
Yeah.
Shut right.
Another one there, baby.
It's under here. That's where it's going to come out by your feet. There it is.
It's all under there, but yeah.
There we are. No. Put it on. That's under my foot. Yeah. Get it. Good lad, Sid. Good lad, Sid. Take my foot off, I think. Hey! You got it. These gloves aren't right. That's got one. Yeah. Yeah, get in there. Oh, out behind. Yeah. And there. Three.
I'm everywhere now.
Four.
Five.
And another one. Here. Here.
Get in, Tricky.
Get in, dog. Ain't far in there. He's got it. Another one. And another.
Go on, boys. Sorry, mate.
Here's one. Head first.
Yeah, fold down Good girl, Wiz.
Found
another one. Yeah, they're the better ones.
Here's another one. There's a slab of concrete under here.
That's fixed. Yeah. No, the other bit was.
This is where that whole slab is wobbling. On the edge.
Well, I looked up there, no one. Just put your hand down the hole, Paul, and pull him out. You got them good gloves on.
Shut up, Flint. Flint.
It's first day.
You've been going more than 15 years, haven't you? Hey, another one!
I just bet there's still some more in there.
There's another one.
Yeah.
Go on, get in there. Get in there. Go on. Another one. That's two. He's under that bloody concrete. Yeah, but it's moving that. That's only a little bit. That's it.
Still on there somewhere.
There isn't there? Oh, just pop the water pipe.
Come on, Red, dog it out.
Oh, what that was a...
I definitely think there's no one in on the bridge.
Shut Flint.
break your
Just
ankle.
move my leg out of the way. Look like he's trying to come through.
Where's your plucker, Peter? Where's your plucking machine?
There's another bit of bloody concrete there.
Chap, the chap didn't know what I see one word. He seems very fine, man.
That could be the big bit.
You just took the corner off it.
Whose dog's that? Is that Beverly's?
Yeah, I think so.
Keen for a change, isn't it?
Definitely ain't mine. It's the wrong colour.
What do you reckon between there?
I think there's a fair chance, isn't it?
Well, I think it's one between them two, Greg.
Yeah, between the two borders.
Don't even know the fucking border. That's the dig.
You're the only one who's brought a shovel out.
I've got two of them.
What way I'm not doing?
I'm just waiting for Greg to break his, I'll bring him another one.
Whose nose I've just chopped off. I see her tugging on it, that.
Was it hard, that ground?
Oh, hey up, come out the other end.
Two there, Beverly. One behind you, got one as well. Bella's got it, I think.
There's two. There's a little one.
Yeah, that got one down there. Well, the way these two are going now,
You've been digging all that while, haven't you? That's the one, isn't it?
probably, yeah.
Yeah, there's another one, he's too.
Digging the wrong end, isn't it?
Yeah, digging the wrong end, yeah. What do you expect?
Potatoes or carrots? Potatoes. Get that. Good lad, sit. The way they sniff on the ground, yeah.
He's underneath you.
Underneath where I was.
Back on that original hole.
Fucker's gone. Sitting in there, mate.
His face was all scarred up.
Yeah, it's that one.
Get on it, Treagle. Get on it, Treagle. Get on it.
It's between the two of them. She's...
Whoa.
Oh, get it!
Get on it.
Get up!
That's a big one, wasn't it?
That's quite a big one.
Your whole face is well scarred up,
Yeah,
isn't
yeah,
it?
the Irish links.
Look at his arse, look, it's got no hair, look.
That's a big boy that don't drop their hair.
That one ain't so big.
That ain't big, that's
I think so.
That was dead, that one.
Yeah. This is dropping the work.
Good lad.